For me, knife making started off from working with my hands. My grandfather was the one that introduced me to working with my hands. Making a knife is an incredible adventure. Life is an incredible adventure. And if you've got grit, if you've got the ability to hang in there and do what needs to be done, then everything becomes an adventure. My real passion is coaching. For me, the whole bladesmithing, the whole workshop is just an environment. It's an environment for me to practice my trade. You've got a range of different skill set that you use, from forging a piece of raw steel to grinding and forming the handle and shaping that handle, and then at the end doing a bit of leather work. So it's all these different aspects. But for me, the personal growth and what people achieve within themselves is always the magic. As you go through this 4 days with them, you get to know their personality, you get to know who they are, and by the end they walk out with this beautiful knife that they've created, and that becomes one of their prized possessions. I like to have that environment where there's a personal growth that takes place within the students, within the people who are on the workshop. But that is just the surface. The deeper side of it is that sense of achievement, the sense of self-belief, self-love. That's the focus.